Neapolitan pizza. Neapolitan pizza comes from Naples in southern Italy and is widely considered the original form of modern pizza. It developed in the 18th and 19th centuries when flatbread topped with simple ingredients became a popular street food for working people. The dough is made with just flour, water, salt, and yeast, then fermented slowly to create a soft, airy texture. It is stretched by hand and baked in an extremely hot, wood-fired oven for less than 2 minutes. The crust forms a light blistered edge, while the center stays tender and slightly moist. Traditional toppings include crushed tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, olive oil, and basil. Its simplicity highlights ingredient quality rather than heavy toppings. New York-style pizza. New York-style pizza grew from Italian immigrant traditions that arrived in the United States in the early 1900s. It evolved from Neapolitan pizza, but adapted to American ovens and ingredients. The dough is hand-tossed and baked in large gas ovens, creating a wide slice with a thin yet sturdy crust. The outer edge becomes crisp, while the middle remains flexible enough to fold in half, which is how many people eat it while walking through the city. The sauce is usually seasoned tomato sauce, and the cheese is low-moisture mozzarella spreaded generously across the surface. New York pizza became famous through street corner pizzerias and remains one of the most recognizable pizza styles in the world. Chicago deep dish pizza. Chicago deep dish pizza was created in the 1940s and quickly became one of the city's defining foods. Unlike traditional flat pizzas, this version is baked in a deep round pan that resembles a cake tin. The dough is pressed up the sides of the pan to form a tall crust, creating space for layers of toppings. Cheese goes directly on the dough, followed by meats or vegetables, and finally, a thick tomato sauce on top. This reverse layering protects the cheese during the long baking time. The crust becomes buttery and firm, while the interior stays rich and dense. The result is a pizza that feels closer to a savory pie than a typical slice. Chicago Tavern-style pizza. Chicago Tavern-style pizza developed quietly in neighborhood bars long before deep dish became famous. It is actually the style most commonly eaten by locals in Chicago. The dough is rolled very thin and baked until crisp, producing a cracker-like crust that stays firm under toppings. Instead of being served in large triangular slices, the pizza is cut into small squares called party cut. This format makes it easy to share across a table in casual social settings. The toppings usually include sausage, mozzarella, and tomato sauce, spread evenly across the entire pizza. Its thin crust and square slices create a completely different experience from the heavier deep dish. Sicilian pizza. Sicilian pizza comes from Sicily and reflects the region's long baking traditions. It is known for its thick, rectangular shape and soft, bread-like crust. The dough rises in an oiled pan, which gives the bottom a slightly crisp edge, while the inside stays fluffy and airy. Historically, it was baked in large trays and sold in bakeries rather than pizzerias. The sauce is typically robust and garlicky, and toppings often include onions, anchovies, herbs, and grated cheese. In the United States, Sicilian pizza became popular in Italian-American communities, where its thick slices made it easy to serve large groups. Detroit-style pizza. Detroit-style pizza emerged in the mid-20th century in Detroit, Michigan. It is baked in deep rectangular steel pans, originally used in local automotive factories. These pans conduct heat efficiently, allowing the crust to become crisp and caramelized around the edges. The dough is thick and airy, similar to focaccia bread. Brick cheese, a regional cheese from Wisconsin, is spread all the way to the edges, so it melts and forms a golden crust against the pan. The tomato sauce is added in stripes across the top after baking, giving the pizza a distinctive layered look. Its crunchy edges and soft interior make it one of the most texturally unique pizza styles. Roman pizza al taglio. Roman pizza al taglio translates to pizza by the cut and is a common sight in bakeries and street shops across Rome. It is baked in large rectangular trays and displayed behind glass counters. Customers choose a portion size, which is cut with scissors or a knife and sold by weight. The dough undergoes a long fermentation process that produces a light, airy crumb with a crisp bottom. Toppings vary widely and can include anything from simple tomato sauce to roasted vegetables, cured meats, or cheeses. Because slices are reheated before serving, the crust becomes crunchy while the inside stays soft and flavorful. Romantand pizza. Romantand pizza is the round, thin pizza style commonly served in sit-down restaurants in Rome. The crust is rolled extremely thin and baked until dry and crisp across the entire surface. Unlike Neapolitan pizza, it does not have a soft center or a large puffy edge. The goal is a light, crunchy texture that almost cracks when cut. Toppings are usually simple and balanced, so they do not weigh down the thin base. Olive oil, tomato sauce, mozzarella, mushrooms, or cured meats are typical choices. This style emphasizes crispness and clean flavors rather than heavy layers of ingredients. California-style pizza. California-style pizza developed in the late 20th century when chefs began experimenting with creative toppings and flavor combinations. The crust is usually thin and crisp, similar to New York or Neapolitan pizza. But the defining feature is the approach to ingredients. Instead of traditional toppings, California pizzas often use fresh produce, unusual cheeses, seafood, or international flavors. Barbecue chicken, goat cheese, arugula, and roasted vegetables became common combinations. The style reflects the broader food culture of California, which values seasonal ingredients and culinary creativity. Rather than following strict tradition, it treats pizza as a flexible canvas for modern cooking. St. Louis-style pizza. St. Louis-style pizza comes from the city of St. Louis, Missouri, and is known for its extremely thin crust. The dough is made without yeast, which means it does not rise and stays flat and crisp during baking. The result is a crunchy base that breaks easily when bitten. A distinctive processed cheese called Provel is used instead of mozzarella, giving the pizza a creamy and slightly smoky flavor. Like Chicago Tavern-style pizza, it is cut into small squares rather than slices. The thin crust, unique cheese, and square cuts combine to create a pizza experience that is quite different from most other American styles. Greek pizza. Greek pizza developed in Greek-owned pizzerias in the northeastern United States. Although inspired by Italian pizza, it has its own preparation method and flavor profile. The dough is proofed and baked in round metal pans that are heavily coated with olive oil. This oil creates a crust that becomes golden and slightly fried along the edges. The sauce is usually more heavily seasoned with herbs like oregano, and the toppings often include a mix of mozzarella and cheddar cheeses. Because the dough rises in the pan before baking, the crust becomes soft and airy, while the bottom develops a rich, crisp texture. New Haven apizza. New Haven apizza originated in New Haven, Connecticut, among Italian immigrant communities. The word apizza reflects the local pronunciation of the Italian word for pizza. It is baked in extremely hot coal-fired ovens that create a distinctive charred crust. The dough is thin and stretched wide, producing large, irregular pies with crisp edges and a chewy interior. Traditional versions are often lightly topped, sometimes with just tomato sauce, garlic, olive oil, and grated cheese. One famous variation includes fresh clams as a topping. The smoky flavor from the coal oven and the slightly charred crust give this style a deep, complex taste that stands apart from many others.